Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a beautiful 1972 Volkswagen Beetle. Yes, it is a 1972. I know this is the older body style, but what this is this is actually a Brazilian built bug, guys. They kept this body style going. Super cool car. You can see it's lowered down all the way around. It's got the Porsche chrome wheels on it. It's got 44,000 kilometers on it, which is about 27,000 actual miles on it. It's really an unrestored survivor. Again, the car was built in Brazil, was kept in a private collection up until 2016, held in dry storage. Car is clean as can be. Then it was imported into the U.S. Great car, runs and drives excellent. Just a super cool car. Probably the nicest bug I've ever owned. I mean, this thing is just super cool. We've got a bunch of documentation for it. It's just neat. If you're looking for something different, great conversation piece. A lot of fun to drive. I think you'll love this car. This car, I believe this is called Diamond Blue. Of course, they don't have the paint codes here, so I don't know what they come out to, because it's got a Brazilian trim tag on it. But from what I can see, it's called Diamond Blue. It's got about 80–90% of the original paint still on it, guys. I've driven it a couple of times now. Great little car. I mean, really hits the road good. I don't know what that is, guys. A little bug or something up there. Not a whole lot that you can really nitpick on it. Like I say, it's mostly original. I believe they said they did change the exhaust. They put I think it's an EBM or something like that shifter in it. But neat car. Bunch of new stuff coming, guys. So make sure you're watching our web. Again, if you know about lowering bugs, that's kind of what they always look like in the rear when they lower them down a little. You can see there's a few little chips here, I think, at the bottom. Oh no, actually, it's not chips. I'm sorry, that's part of the body. I'm sorry. Clean car. Of course, it does have newer tires on it. They did replace the original tires. All original under here. Original bias ply spare, the jack. Even I guess you got to prime the windshield washer, and you can see it's got the original trim tag on it as well. This is all your paperwork. Again, a little write-up on it. Original invoice, the import papers, the original owner's manuals. They're all in there. You can go ahead and shut that down, actually, Jordy. Again, if you see that a little smudge, I'm not real sure. There's a little stone peck there. Little smudges on them. I'm not sure what the guys did. Actually, it might be fingerprints from people. People have been all over this thing since we pulled it out front. They've been waiting on me to shoot the pictures in the video. Just a cool car. I probably had a dozen of these cars, man. They're lots of fun to drive. I like them. I think they're super cool. See a little Brazilian glass mark on there. They're fun. Like I say, a lot of fun to drive. Very popular. 44,685. That's in kilometers, and that turns out to be about 27,000 miles. There it is, a EMPI shifter. Aftermarket radio. 1300cc engine. Look how clean that is. Really cool little car. Like I say, fun to bang the gears. You guys can see this under. Yeah, it's gonna be tough to see really anything underneath, but got you some good pictures. I'll post those on there. Super clean car. See where the doors are open. Like I say, about 80–90% of this car is the original paint. I love those racks underneath. You know what? I did. Yeah, go ahead and leave that open. Sorry, Jordan. Didn't even think about it. Good call. Matter of fact, I'll go around the back and work my way the other way. These are just fun cars, man. Headlights and everything. Got your headlights on, Jordan? There you go. Good, you can go ahead and shut them off. You don't know how to work this one out. Really nothing but a fuel gauge. Speedo does work. They call that key in a radio. Yeah, these things are neat. Give it a rev, Jordy. A lot of fun. Does the radio work?
Yeah.
Radio does work. That works.
Reverse is down, right?
Yes. Flip your wipers on. Got Jordan all messed up. I don't even know where the wiper switch is. We'll make sure they're working. You didn't know where it's at. Okay, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. That is a wicked cool little car, man. That's really the only way I like them, when they lower them down a little bit. I like that look. And they're so fun. Great conversation pieces. Have a great day, guys.